Hello back guys, and this is a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. If you don't know me already, I create premium WordPress plugins and sell them on CodeCanyon. So today I want to announce a new update for the FBomatic plugin, a highly requested one to be honest. So until now the plugin supported only local use of cookies. So if you want to not use the API importing method for the plugin but want to use the cookie-based method, then you had to input the CUser and XS cookies for each importing rule you had in the plugin. However, this was very tiresome for people who had, let's say, hundreds of importing rules, because they had to input these cookie values in each rule. So because of this, I updated the plugin and added in the main settings of it the CUser cookie value and XS cookie value settings fields, and these will be used globally for the plugin rules. So yeah, like this it will be much easier to use the plugin with cookie importing method. Okay. So this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy these updates. For more similar updates, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to stay awesome. Bye bye.